Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2006 Harley-Davidson Streakline. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2006 Harley-Davidson Streakline with 68,663 miles runs well. It comes equipped with a multifunction 2-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with an R&R motor, cylinder decompression release buttons, spark plug wires, an aftermarket exhaust, a Roland Sands design Stage 1 intake, 8-inch handlebars, grips, an aquatic AV stereo, extended saddlebags, an extended rear fender fill lights, an aftermarket front fender, an LED headlight trim ring, LED front turn signals, a windscreen, a drag specialty seat, axle caps, mirrors, fork covers, rider and passenger footrests, a brake pedal, shift linkage, shift arm, levers, an engine guard, and docking hardware. In stock form, the Streakline is powered by an 88 cubic inch V-twin engine, putting 86 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 5-gallon fuel capacity, the Streakline has a 170 to 200-mile range. It has a 27.3-inch seat height and a 745-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, the Streakline will need turn signals with sufficient visibility, a non-flashing brake light, new riser bushings, and passenger handholds. Please expand and read the mechanical condition report for a full list of concerns. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts and both tires at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the fuel gauge shows a fuel tank, but the fuel light remains on. The check engine light comes on and off during rides. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scrapes on the right saddlebag and imperfections on the upper fairing. This bike has 2 keys and 2 fobs, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.